Well, hello, this is my first attempt at narrating. You'll notice that I'm coming in with a drone from the northwest corner of the temple and just zooming in on the temple. So this is the May 17th, 2022 construction and reconstruction update. What you're looking at here is the temple, obviously, but then to the left, to the north side of the temple, is a major construction project. The church is adding almost 300,000 square feet to the temple in this location. You'll notice that the temple spires have been removed. You saw that in previous videos. Because what I understand they're doing is strengthening those by putting probably some sort of a support down the middle of them. So when they're done, they will be earthquake resistant. Okay, off in the distance, you'll see the plaza that's east of the temple and south of the church office building. It's being reconstructed. And here's a picture of it from a different angle, seeing it a close-up of all the work they're doing to rebuild that plaza. So there it is to the right center of the screen. If you look closely, you'll see a construction trailer there on the roof of the temple and some workers walking around. Something I forgot to mention, the roof to this construction of nearly 300,000 square feet will have a skylight in it, so you'll be able to look out from the inside up and see the temple. Won't that be amazing?